1965 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Over 20 feet of pure American luxury, reimagined by one of Australia's finest custom builders. Southern Rod and Custom, led by Shane Rowe out of Shepparton, Victoria, took this land yacht and turned it into something truly extraordinary. The body wears a deep coat of PPG Gloss Black that looks like it's a mile deep. Every panel, every body line is laser straight. Custom pinstriping flows across the hood with red and gold accents, subtle but unmistakable. The Cadillac crest sits front and center above that massive chrome grille, and the plate reads XXXLOW for good reason. Look up, and you'll see the real showstopper. A custom-paneled roof finished in candy red with metal flake and hand-laid pinstriping. It's the kind of work that stops you in your tracks. From overhead, that roof pattern is absolutely spectacular. Old-school artistry at its finest. Underneath, an Accuair E-Level air ride system puts this Cadillac right on the ground. Custom A-arms and rear trailing arms by Chassis Works Australia keep the geometry tight. 22-inch Centerline Smoothy wheels in polished chrome with two 65/35s fill the arches perfectly. New 2.5-inch exhaust and upgraded brakes round out the chassis. Under that long hood sits the rebuilt 429 Cadillac V8 with a matching trans. Red-painted valve covers with gold Cadillac script, a pinstriped air cleaner. Clean, detailed, and all business. Open the door, and the interior is a sea of red leather, stitched by Option Auto trim. The front bench, the rear seats, even the door panels. A chrome-wrapped steering wheel. Full JBL stereo with custom speakers and a grill in the rear package shelf. Vintage Air Magnum keeps it cool. Every surface has been touched. Built by Shane Rowe and the team at Southern Rod and Custom, one of Australia's most respected custom car builders, this is the '65 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Subscribe for more builds from the shop.